Remarkable boy.
Hey
Quite
guys,
smart.
Mike Morley here.
He was born in a robot
We're
factory
going to start a
in the
series of
Solar
Ratchet and
Galaxy.
Clank,
But to be
Lost in
precise,
Time.
he was created.
It's a pretty badass game. I like it.
Away.
Hope you guys like it too.
My son's name is XJ.
It's pretty crazy.
But the universe knows him.
Animated type. It's fun though.
Sir, the Zoni are inquiring about our progress.
How much longer must we pretend to be friends with those twits? Science is not memory. You must fix. Yes, I'm fixing.
Stand by for sister board scan.
Alright, let's see. Favorite colors green, favorite numbers 83 billion and 4.7. Blah, blah, blah.
Access denied. Neural safeguard activated.
No! Lockdown! It's in here, Lawrence. Somewhere in this brain lies the key to the harvest
Some
chamber.
interesting characters in this game.
Harvest chamber. Your soundiness. If we could take but a peek at the chamber. No harvest chamber.
That's a head bad guy right there. The arch nemesis.
Partnership came to an end.
Gotta stop his evil plot.
Not the hypersonic brainwave scrambler.
Hypersonic brainwave scrambler.
Hope you guys can hear that loud enough. For some reason it seems to record pretty quiet, but to me it's pretty loud.
Apologies, sir. I should have mentioned the equipment is especially susceptible to sonic weapons.
Backup generator activated.
He's awake. Stop him!
This is gonna be a long series. I'm just gonna keep playing the game, until I just get stuck and can't play any further. I don't understand what he wants me to do now. It's just this basic control tutorial. Looking around.
Breach detected in sector 6. Dispatching time cleaners. Time cleaners detecting on planet Jacino.
The registration is the number of zones
Just a crazy world. It's like a, I don't know, it's like there's some whole time shift control thing that they can like pause and reverse time. It's some clock that controls everything, and there's like problems with it, and I gotta repair it. But it's being taken over by aliens. If you guys think this game looks pretty cool and you'd like to maybe own it, I'll put a link in the description below where you can go and buy it from me. Also a link to my blog where I'm going to be keeping these video series for this game. It's Ratchet and Clank. It's I think it's Lost in Time or something. I gotta check the box. This is an old game that I own, but it's pretty fun, pretty crazy. Don't know what I can do. These guys are shooting me. What do I do? There we go. I forgot he can control the time, slow things down. No! I knew that was gonna happen. Damn. Oh well. Oh my god. Can't believe I just did that. Yeah, I'm no game pro or nothing like that. You may have noticed, but it doesn't mean I can't have fun making videos playing anyway. You know? Put this on a blog that makes money for me. I want to get me a team, a whole team full of gamers. All of us playing games and then just sticking it on a blog and making money. Oh my gosh. Make it. No. Alright. This is the last time. This is going to give me a chance to work on my game skills. I've always liked games, but you know, I've been kind of lagging playing them. Haven't really played them much lately. But then I thought, you know, I got to start making some YouTube videos for traffic, you know. And what better thing to do that I would like to do than play games? And I might as well just record YouTube videos for traffic. So that's what I'm doing now.
I should have known you were behind this. Where have you taken me?
You don't recognize it.
Who says running a business, building a business can't be all fun and games? You know, you can do whatever you want to do and still make money. You know, it's just choosing your niche. I happen to choose games just because, you know, who doesn't like playing games? They're fun, right? So, never really been much of the sales pitchy type of marketer, you know, teaching all these different traffic methods and marketing strategies, but I've learned quite a bit, and I can implement it, you know, with other niches that are off topic, like gaming. Just basically spreading it through, you know, ads. You can still advertise your gaming play through Facebook ads or whatever, you know, all kinds of advertising for all kinds of niches. Doesn't have to be exactly about how to make money online, even though you're putting the content onto a blog that does make money for you online. That's just what's so badass about Empower Network. So if you're interested, click the link below and go to my blog, check it out. After this intro, I'm going to be ending this first video because I don't want it to take forever to upload on YouTube.
Luckily for Ratchet, Captain Copernicus Alcork was on the case. His mission, rescue the Lombax's one and only friend. Yep, without Clank, Ratchet was alone in the universe. Alone. Alone. Alone.
You realize this ship has an ejector seat, right?
Sorry. I guess you could say I've been a little antsy in my fancy at the thought of getting back into the hero business. Yep. These wild stallions have been in the stable too long.
Right. Well, just keep your eyes
It's a
peeled.
character.
Talon says this sector's crawling with mercenaries.
Rest easy, my friend. My vigilance is both eternal and peripheral.
Warning. Unidentified anomaly detected.
You know what that voice reminds me of? Kent Brockman from it was some Office show way back in the day. Yeah, he's a funny guy. I don't remember the dude's real name, but if you know who I'm talking about, that's who I'm talking about. This game's kind of one of those games that the graphics kind of look like, you know, little kids can like them and whatever, but adults really like it too, just because it's just so unique and crazy, and the weapons and stuff that they give you, it's got some humor to it. It's kind of a funny game, but with quite a bit of action to it too.
A leisurely stroll through this uncharted jungle will solve the mystery.
That'll be the end of video 1. Come back for 2.